downstairs, and I just had a great breakfast. We are about to go to Knott's Berry Farm, and this is going to be awesome.
But I'm weak, and what's wrong with that? Boy, oh boy, I love it when I fall for that. I'm weak.
Embassy Suites, it's a really nice hotel. I love it, but there's some bad news. So I wanted to use my new tripod, but I only brought the iPad holder, and I'm so stupid. I'm screwed, and now I can't use it. So guys, we just parked, and look at all these crazy rides. We made it to Knott. This place is late. We just finished our first ride. It's like the latest place ever. So we're gonna go on the Silver Boy. It looks pretty scary. I'm just tall enough for it. Holy crap, the wheels are above me. This is the scariest ride I've ever. Holy crap, I can't believe I just went on that. That was actually really fun. But it was crazy. Money roller coaster cash, and it's gonna be really fun. Timber! We're going on Timber Mountain. So guys, we just left, but good news, we're coming back. We're just going to get lunch. Oh my gosh, guys. We just went to Flame Boil, and it's really busy, so there's nowhere to sit. And now we just came to this weird McDonald's that, cause it's the only restaurant here. This is the weirdest McDonald's of all time. That was the strangest McDonald's of all time, and now we're gonna head back to Knott. We made it back to the park, you know. We're in a 2-hour line for the Ghost Rider. It's been 2 hours for the Ghost Rider. It's been 2 hours and 12 minutes, and we're finally at the stairs to get on. 2 hours and 12 minutes. So guys, it's been 2 hours and almost 30 minutes, and when we went up here, I thought it was the place where you're supposed to get on, but there's still a huge dollar big line. Our timer just went off. It's exactly 3 hours, and we're on the thing. Just get on. Oh my gosh, guys, it was 3 hours and 6 minutes, and I'm getting on. Oh my gosh, that was the craziest ride I've ever been on. I said that earlier today, but that one's even crazier. I can't believe I'm saying this, but that was worth a 3-hour wait.
Honey Bee! Say something, Honey Bee! Flap your wings! Flap, flap your wings! Never had a diamond! Flap your wings! Flap, flap your wings!
Sadly, we are leaving Knott, but happily, now we are going to the Cheesecake Factory to get food. It's finger looking good. Wait, is this the right place? I don't know, but so guys, we didn't go to Cheesecake Factory because we would have to waited 1.5 hours. The mac and cheese here is so good. Wait a second, there's more cheese. That was amazing. So please like,